Robinhood, with the name of Robinhood, little guy, big guy, Robinhood backs down. Now, I don't know. Is it on the back end? Maybe whoever's processing this stuff, we can't take it anymore. Maybe, allegedly. Wait, let me pause. Disclaimer. This is not financial advice. This show is not about financial. I am not an analyst. I am a human being as interested in all of this as all of you are because it has taken over everybody's feed.
Right.
Disclaimer. I'll put it in the description. Do not take anything I'm saying here today as an instruction to go do anything.
Yeah.
Or do it, but do it in the context of how I'm expressing my own interest and exposure to the situation.
Sure.
Robinhood, with the name of Robinhood, the whole message being around, it's time for the small guy to play with the big guys. The whole message being around, the tools will now be available to you, the retail investor, to come play this game that you previously couldn't, at least easily and quickly. And they back down this morning, and Twitter goes buck wild. And the world goes buck wild, and they say, they hammer it on this App Store. 1 star, plummeting. I talked about yesterday how they were booming. They were 8th place in the whole App Store. Like a stock themselves. They got twisted up in this thing. They shut down the buy button at I don't know whose request. At I don't know why this particular action is even possible. You look at the potential fallout from this. Everybody turning, everybody pulling their finances from the site. Robinhood took away the buy button on a few stocks. They took away the buy button on GameStop. They took away the buy button on AMC.
And BlackBerry.
They took away the buy button on BlackBerry. They are being accused of market manipulation at this point. What do you think is going to happen, Will, when you take boatloads of retail investors and you eliminate their buy button and only enable a sell button? People are going to sell. They're going to panic. 11:20, you watched it go down. Wall Street bets, you go back to the Reddit forum. Am I yelling? You go back to the Reddit forum and you see people pleading with other parts of the world using other investment apps to keep buying GameStop, to keep it propped up because they have lost their ability to buy. And because the entire strategy relies on that stock being elevated. The entire short squeeze strategy. The app with the name Robinhood flipped it completely and helped out those short positions. You can't say those short positions were mad at that buy button going away. You can't say that. But somehow, this thing came screaming back. Somehow, it didn't completely plummet to zero. Some of these people are actually in it on some next level, not just for cashing out. Some of these people are actually holding. Celebrities are getting involved. People on Twitter saying, hold the line. Mark Cuban is talking about it. Ben Shapiro. AOC. This is, what do they call that in politics? Crossing the, it's not a partisan issue. Both sides, Dave Portnoy from Barstool saying he's going all the way with it. He's saying they shouldn't be allowed to do this. I've never seen anything like it. How big is this? How many things will fall?